Hi, welcome to How to Install PVC Garage Floor Tiles by Garage Style, the UK's premier garage floor tile company. Before you get started, we would recommend having the following tools to hand: a metal ruler or tape measure, Stanley blade, jigsaw or guillotine, pen and rubber mallet. You now have your tiles and ramps delivered and out of the packaging ready for installation. To start with, check your current floor for any lumps of concrete and chisel these away to provide a nice flat base. Our tiles are very forgiving, so the floor doesn't need to be perfectly flat. Next, sweep the garage out so there is no loose debris on the floor. We would then recommend to interlock one row of tiles together along the front edge of the garage using your rubber mallet. Next, join the ramp sections on. Measure the gap on each side between the floor tiles and the wall and adjust by moving the tiles until the gap either side is even. Close the garage door and push the tiles and ramps forwards so they sit just behind the inside of the garage door. Be sure to open and shut the door to make sure it's not catching on the ramp sections. Now you have the floor tiles and ramps lined up, you can fill out the rest of the full tiles using your rubber mallet. Leave out any tiles that will need cutting for now, and we will get to those shortly. Once all the full tiles have been laid, it's time to start with the cuts. For a straight cut, flip the tile upside down and push it up against the wall. Our tiles have this square marker to make the process easier. Mark the tile where it meets the top of the square marker on both sides. This will give you a perfect 5mm expansion gap. To cut, use a guillotine, but if you don't have one, we would recommend using a jigsaw with a fine cut blade, or you can use a Stanley blade. If using a knife, run it along a straight edge and score the tile a few times before slicing the tile. It can be strenuous, so we would recommend using a jigsaw where possible. Next, move on to any intricate cuts. Use your ruler or tape to measure the gap, and then use this measurement minus the 5mm expansion gap to draw a point on your tile. Repeat this process on all edges. Once the cut is all marked out, use your jigsaw or Stanley blade to complete the cut. Once all the cuts are complete, give the garage a sweep to clear any loose debris. Finally, give the floor a clean to clear any dust created during the installation process. We would recommend using a microfiber mop alongside our citrus cleaning fluid, both of which are available on our website. Congratulations, the finished product is a smart-looking, functional space to be enjoyed. All our tiles are manufactured in the UK from the finest quality clean PVC and come with our 10-year manufacturer's warranty. You can order all of our products online at www.garagestymelimited.com or call us on 01707 229 800 for any more information or a quick quote on your dream garage.